This is a two-part video, so make sure you watch this and the linked video as well. So today I have something beautiful to show. I've made a simple periodic table which is on the screen. So I'm initiating a learning interface, perhaps, if I can call it that. So it's purely code driven, and what I've done is I've mapped all of these elements. There you can see some of them are not yet highlighted, but the rest of them are. The ones which are highlighted, I will definitely show a few samples of them, of course. So what I've done is I've put all of these elements into a real-time particle physics engine. So I've used MediaPipe and I've used hand tracking so that you can see how I'm doing it. So have a look. So this is the simple interface. You can see that the periodic table is right here. So when I press space, I can enter it. You can see that iron is currently functional, so I can just weave it around. You can see the property of this. And if I press NE and press enter, it's neon. So this is the element. You can see that the protocol mode also talks about what kind of feature is being displayed for each of these elements, right? I'm not a science guy. If I'm incorrect, please do not feel shy to correct me. I'm not going to feel bad at all. I love learning. So this is what I've done. Another thing that I've done is, if you want to look at uranium, you just press U and then you can see how the property of this is, which is radioactive decay. You can also do plutonium. You just need to press P and U and then you get plutonium also. I've done a simple interface graphic as well. So you can see that on the top left, when you want to shift elements, you're going to notice something beautiful. It's just a simple animation. I'm not even going to call it animation. It's just a simple feature that I've kept in place. So let's say I go back to neon. If I press NE and enter, you'll notice the way it switches, right? It's kind of like from Matrix. I loved it, so I just implemented that. So this is pretty cool, right? And wait, what are the elements would you guys like to see? Let's say helium, right? If you do this, you can see that helium is a noble gas, I guess. It's got some high buoyancy as well. And you can go back, and also I can show you hydrogen as well. You can just check that out. I go back to neon because I love it when the particles are completely separated like this. And let's look at hydrogen. You can see how this interface is pretty cool, right? You can always come back to the periodic table. You can see which